Hey, what is up, guys? Today I want to show you how to fix the unusual activity has been detected from your device in ChatGPT. Now, this can be caused from a range of issues, but it all generally boils down to your actual device. The first thing I would say to try is going to your little profile icon here and just logging out and logging back in. Give that a try and see if it fixes the problem. However, what I really think the problem is, and what I've experienced, not maybe specifically with ChatGPT, but with other things, is browser extensions in whatever browser you use to access ChatGPT. Consider going to the little extension puzzle here and removing some of these. You just click on those three dots next to them and removing them. Remove them, try use ChatGPT and go through the process of continuously removing till you find the one that is causing the problem. For me, it's usually Phantom Wallet, not specifically with ChatGPT, but with if I go to a certain website that I usually go to, Phantom Wallet will say, hey, this is not a safe website. And that's pretty much all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing if it helped you. I hope it did. And hitting that like button. And I'll see you in the next video.